really excited over this vacuum cleaner. I ordered it recently because my car is always getting dirty and it's extremely inconvenient for me to go to the car wash to, you know, clean out your car and stuff. So this was really nice because you can just fit it in the back of your car and just vacuum your car out whenever you need to. So initially, has some plastic on top. Here's the manual. First impressions, looks pretty nice so far. It weighs probably about, I don't know, a pound and a half. So here's the vacuum. It looks like you have a light right here, light button, and then I think this is the power button right here. Let's try it out. Hey, it is. Sucks pretty good. It's a faster and then an off. So 1 is slow, 2 is fast. Then if you press it right here, the top comes off. There we go. A little bit harder to press than I was expecting. And then you have the filter right here. It just pulls right out. So if you want to get the filter out, you literally just twist it and pull it out like that. So I really like it. This is made out of rubber, so it just fits right in there like that. Snap it right back on right here. In the box, I seen it came with this attachment. It just fits right here in the end. They added another filter. So right here, they have the charging dock. You set this on your wall, and then the vacuum right here, charge. So it would just slide this piece right here and charge just like that on your wall. And then super convenient because they also have this spot right here for all your extra cleaning equipment pieces. You have a long nose, and then this is a brush that folds out and clicks into place. And so you can brush as well as sweep. Overall, guys, I am very happy with this. It feels like it's very good quality, very light. I can't wait to use this here in a couple minutes. As you can see, you know, you have a light on it so you can see perfectly. And then you could press low speed or press it a second time for high speed. I really like this setup. Very, very easy to use. And then you also have a brush that comes with it. Like I said, you empty it here, which is a spring, so it just pops right open. And then if you press this button right here, it brings the bottom off. So you can clean this side the best you want. I like this vacuum a lot, guys. It is very, very simple, very easy to use. It sucks really good, pretty light. Like I said, they have a light on it, which is nice if you're at night in your car. And then it also has 2 features and a battery light. So overall, guys, I would give this my recommendation for sure if you're looking for a handheld vacuum cleaner for your car, or for maybe your just the little things in your house like your couch cushions or something. Definitely recommend this.